You've recently launched your website on the multi-site platform for your small business and purchased a custom domain via GoDaddy, which is a popular DNS provider for custom domains. That was a smart move on your part because having a custom domain on your multi-site website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to connect your custom domain that you've purchased from GoDaddy to your multi-site website. Let's get started. Now, as I mentioned, I've already purchased my custom domain via GoDaddy and literally launched my website for my small business and made it more customized to my business. I'm going to go ahead and click on this button at the bottom, connect your domain. You have the option to either click on that button or head on over to your Marty dashboard and click on connect your domain over here. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you don't actually have a custom domain, you can absolutely purchase one via the Marty Sites platform. How convenient is that? Just click on I want a new domain to register one. But for now, we have purchased one, so we can click on I already have a domain. Awesome. Multi-sites makes use of entry to make connecting your existing domain super simple. Remember, this process will help you connect a domain that you already own. If you want to register a new domain, you can click over here and actually purchase one. But I've got my custom domain, so I'm going to pop it in over here and click on continue. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and click on continue. It will analyze my domain, detect the DNS provider, which is of course GoDaddy, and getting all the setup details ready. I'm now going to go ahead and log in over here. It's completely safe. You don't need to worry. Just going to get my customer number over here and pop in my password. Awesome. Click on continue. It's going to verify those login credentials and connect the domain. It's going to do all the hard work. Remember, you may receive an email notification from GoDaddy saying that your account has been accessed. That is completely normal, so don't stress. Awesome. It's now going to send a code to your email address. Let's go ahead and check that out. Get that quickly. Awesome. I've got my code over here. Let's copy and paste it just for verification. It's now authenticating. It may take a couple minutes. Great. So it's now connecting on my domain and that's now configured. How easy and simple was that? Changes typically take less than a few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours for everything to connect up. Let's go ahead and click on done. We're all finished. Our website will be live shortly. You can grab a coffee now and relax.